You won't believe the amazing sales that are going on right now. I can't resist buying everything I see. I totally get the excitement. But you follow the finance rules while shopping, right? What finance rules? These are rules that will help you keep your budget intact. Damn, tell me more about these magical rules. Okay, so rule number 1. Don't save any of your payment details on your shopping apps. It gives you time to think before you buy. But won't that make it harder for me to shop? Exactly. That's the beauty of it. By adding an extra step to the process, you'll have time to reflect on whether you truly need the items you're considering and avoid impulsive purchases. That actually makes sense. Now on to rule number 2. Try paying for your purchases in cash. Cash? But I love using my credit card. I know, but paying in cash makes you feel the impact of your spending and think twice about each purchase. Oh, it's like putting a physical value on what I'm buying. Exactly. And that brings us to rule number 3. Avoid shopping during a sale frenzy. What are you saying? It's impossible to resist the discounts. These sales are designed to make you buy things you don't really need. So it's better to focus on buying things that add genuine value to your life. You're so right. I've fallen into the trap of buying unnecessary things just because they were on sale. I think it's time for me to break that cycle. You've got this, babe. With these rules, you will definitely conquer the Shopaholic's dilemma.